Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw Solana from AutoSnipe AI. So in order to do it, you first need to open your web browser and here you need to come to AutoSnipe AI. You can even use the link that is given in the description. In case you are a new user to AutoSnipe AI, let me tell you that it is a powerful trading platform and bot for Solana blockchain, and it helps users buy and sell tokens quickly while offering features like rug pull detection and copy trading to simplify copy trading and minimize risks. To get started, you just need to connect your wallet, deposit some Solana, and you can start trading. If you don't know how to do this, you can go through my channel and you can watch the detailed videos on this topic as well. In case you want to use the AutoSnipe AI tool, you can use the link that is given in the description in order to save 10% on trading fees on this platform. Now, if you are an existing user and you want to withdraw your earnings, AutoSnipe AI makes the process very simple and secure. By just accessing your connected wallet to the platform, you can follow a few straightforward steps that I'm about to show you in this video in order to transfer your funds back. So whether you are withdrawing your profits or unused balances, the platform ensures a smooth experience for managing your Solana earnings. Now, once you are in your AutoSnipe AI wallet, you will be able to see your earnings and your Solana balance in the top right hand corner of the screen. So you need to click on this section, and by default you will be on this deposit tab, but since we want to withdraw, you need to first select the withdraw tab. Now over here it will show you the phantom wallet address, or basically the wallet address that you have connected with your AutoSnipe AI. You cannot change it, so you need to keep that thing in mind that it will withdraw your funds to the same phantom wallet that is connected with it. Now, in the amount to withdraw, you need to enter the amount that you want to withdraw, and you need to make sure that the minimum withdrawal limit is 0.001, which is very less in my opinion as compared to the other platforms. You just have to enter the amount here, or you can even click on the max option in order to select all of your amount from your wallet. Now it will show you priority fees, and the higher the priority fee, the higher the chances of getting your transaction done. So by default it will be over here, so you don't need to change anything. You just have to simply click on the withdraw option. Now wait for some time until it shows you that your transaction is successful. Now you need to just refresh the page from here so that you could see that you have successfully withdrawn your money. After some time, you just get your withdrawals into your phantom wallet, and this is how easy it is to withdraw your earnings from AutoSnipe AI. Now, in case you have joined their referral program and now you want to withdraw your referral earnings from here, that is too very easy. You just have to simply click on the on option, and here in this list you will be able to see all of your withdrawals and earnings. Here you will be able to see the withdraw option, so you just have to enter the withdrawal amount, and then you just have to simply withdraw the money into your phantom wallet. So this way you will be able to withdraw your Solana and your earnings from AutoSnipe AI to your phantom wallet. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.